Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you're into, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using quite a few products from Sephora collection. The Sephora holiday savings event is coming up in just a few days. It starts on October 27th. During the event, you get 30% off of all Sephora brand products. Comment down below, let us know what are some of those products from the Sephora collection that you swear by. Every single thing that I use today will be linked down below in the description box. Keep in mind they are affiliate links, so I do want to encourage you guys to use those links. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look using a ton of Sephora collection products, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by priming my skin with the e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer. And after about a minute, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. Now this foundation gives me pretty much like a matte finish. It lasts me about 5 hours throughout the day. So I feel like with this primer, I could get a little bit more long wear, so we shall see. I ended up getting about 8.5 going on 9 hours of wear using this primer. But I do love the color. I got it in the color 35N. One pump is definitely enough for my entire face. Keep in mind that the Best Skin Ever products from Sephora do oxidize a little bit, so it looks a little lighter on my hand, but it does dry down to my actual skin tone. For this tutorial, I'm excited to use my new brush set from Sephora collection. I already showed you guys this a couple times. It does have the full size pro brushes in here. 8 of them do come in the set, so I am going to take the number 47 brush to blend the foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. This is also in the color 35N. Just like the foundation, it oxidizes, so it does go on a little bit lighter than what the dry down looks like. To highlight, I'm going to use the same Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. For cream bronzer, I'm going to use the LYS stick. This one's in the color Courage. And I'm going to use that same Sephora number 74 brush to blend the cream bronzer. And I'm going to brighten just a little bit with the Haus Labs concealer in the color number 34. To set the highlighted areas, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. I feel like I haven't used this powder in so long. I've been on the one size powder since it came out, actually. I feel like I've been neglecting Laura. To set all over, I'm going in with one of my favorite powders, which is the Sephora collection Micro Smooth Powder. This gives you a medium to light coverage, super natural finish. And I'm going to use the Sephora number 59 brush from the set. LYS spray. I'm going to warm up the skin a little bit, sort of like bronze it, using another Sephora collection Micro Smooth Powder. This one's a little darker. It's in the color Ebony. And that same Sephora collection number 59 brush from the set. To fill in my brows, I'm going to use my favorite brow pencil. This is the Sephora Collection Micro Brow Pencil in the color Soft Charcoal. To clean up the brows, I'm going in with the same Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. This is my favorite concealer to sort of add a little bit more structure to the brows because it's so close to my skin tone. And to blend the concealer under the brows, I'm going to use another brush from the set, which is the number 71 brush. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with a Sephora Collection shadow. This one's in the color Choco Express. With these sort of shimmery like shades, I feel like it gives you the best color payoff with your finger. And Choco Express is a very beautiful shimmery pewter shade. And I'm going to soften the edges of Choco Express with that same micro smooth powder in the color Ebony. The liner, I want to use a brown liner, so I'm going to use the Sephora Collection liquid liner, and it's in the color Chocolate Brown. Going in with my Charlotte Tilbury palette, I'm going to grab that darkest brown just to sort of smudge the liner with the number 15 brush from the Sephora brush set. And T Hella Thick mascara. Using the same brown from the Charlotte Tilbury palette, I'm just going to smudge underneath the bottom. Taking my number 98 brush from that Sephora set with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. My Pat McGrath blush in the color Paradise Venus with the number 93 brush from the set. And to soften the skin just a little bit, I'm going in with my Hourglass Ambient Light powder in the color Eternal Light. That same Sephora Collection number 59 brush that I use for the powder all over. For the lips, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection lip liner in the color Mesquite with the number 21 matte lipstick from Sephora. I'm going to overline with Molasses from Sephora Collection. And Brave lip gloss from the Sephora Collection. One last spray. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. Every single thing that I used on my face today will be linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come back, join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers,